Jed!
Oh, itong libro, did you read?
Please shout out a one-syllable name. Joy, Mark, Claire. Gusto ko yon. Yes. Ano po ba? Bob o Bob? Pam.
Ayo!
Pam.
Bob or Bob? Pam!
Here's what we'll do. Our spit players will be improvising quick scenes where their dialogue should be rhyming with the name being called out by Ding Dong. Let's begin. Rhyme die.
Joy! Uy, bakit mo tinatahiyan, pang boy?
Alam mo ba, malaki ang nadudulot sa aking soy.
Because I don't like this toy. You know what? I'm gonna call Kaloy. Kaloy! Hoy! I think that he would enjoy. Kaloy!
Enjoy? Hoy, puloy!
I'm just gonna go on an envoy.
I'm going to cry.
Jed!
Oh, itong libro, did you read?
Ang ganda nito! I'm dead!
O sabi dito, si Juan Francisco, the cruise he led.
Oh, wow! Galing!
Gusto mo magbasa ng story dito sa bed?
Oh, okay. Sige. Meron ka ba dyang, ano yun, red?
Oo, yung red na bread.
Okay. Gusto ko kasi sana meron din itong kasamang Ted.
Claire is the new name. Claire.
Ikaw talaga kasi ayaw mo mag-share.
Kasi naman sa ating dalawa, ako yung mas mahaba yung hair.
Parang yung pet mo na rabbit na hair.
Oh, what do you care?
Kukulong ko na siya doon sa kabilang lair.
Kawawa naman siya, kanina pa siya nakastare.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, umupo ka sa chair.
Oh, ito na. Lalagay ka na sa tabi ng bear.
Suddenly, ikaw ay nagkikare.
Alright, next name is May.
Uy, ang ganda nung bird na blue jay.
Oh, yeah. That's what they say.
Nakakatawa ka talaga, Faye.
Oh, thank you. Ang galing-galing mo naman
May pa rin, May.
Ay, thank you. Ang galing-galing mo namang akong i-portray.
Oo, kasi naman ang ganda nung gun mo na may balang ray.
Oh, dahil dyan sa Ray, nagkaroon ako ng maraming taong na-dismay.
Nako, and I think they will not stay.
Because they are always in a ray.
I think they're ready to play.
Yes, they're ready to play because they're ready to hop.
We are using the name Pam.
Gusto mo ng spam?
Sure, lalagyan ko pa ng jam.
I think... Wala.
Pam.
Smile, you're on cam.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Papu is our rhyme die champion.
All right.
Espit Manila.